Hi there, it's Simone. I am coming to you with my very first video. Welcome to Simone TV. This is not a hair vid, but this is more of a lifestyle fashion vid. I'm a fashion designer and I've been working on a couple of projects, and I just want to take you through what I'm going to be doing today. I'm almost done with a pair of pants that I'm working on. Here's a shorts version of what I'm making today. So when I make pants, I normally do a side zipper or a back zipper. So this is my very first time completing a pair of pants with the actual zip fly, and it closes with a hook and eye. And I did these as a pair of shorts. And I love the way they came out, so I decided to make a pants version of them. So I've pretty much decided on this red fabric, and the reason that this fabric caught my eye is because I love doing color block looks, or very bold pattern looks like what you see here in the background, and I really want to do a nice bold pink and red color block look. So I've completed almost everything, and I just want to put on the waistband, and I'm going to take you guys through how I do that. But first, let me get comfy. So yeah, when I work on sewing projects, I just put on this apron to keep everything handy. One thing that you learn how to do with sewing is lose things. So I like to keep my scissors in here. I'm gonna put my chalk in here. And then scissors. But yeah, the two main things I've learned from sewing is how to lose things and how to iron really well. So what I'm gonna do first is cut out the waistband. So I like my waistbands to be thick. I love a high-waisted pant. I'm gonna make the waistband 2 inches high, which means I have to cut a piece of fabric 4 inches. I might do it 4.5 because I'm gonna fold it over, and then my waist is about a 27, 28. So I'm gonna cut a piece of fabric about 4.5 inches high and 29 inches wide. I'm gonna cut it in fabric. I'm also gonna cut a piece, same dimensions, in fusible interfacing, which gives the waistband that structure so it's not flopping down when you wear them. And I'll be back. And I'm cutting on the fold. I'm holding it. So for 29, I'm probably just gonna be safe, and I'm gonna cut here. Now I'm cutting the fusible interfacing. It doesn't have to be perfect, so I'm just making this line, and I'm gonna cut to somewhat match my waistband. So this is my interfacing, and this is my waistband. Now I'm going to take this to the ironing board. For those that don't know, the way fusible interfacing works is there are little glue bubbles on one side, so I can feel the glue on this side, and then this side is smooth. I'm going to face this on the waistband and then iron it so that it sticks, and then bend it over so we have a nice, durable, firm waistband. So I'm back. I just ironed the fusible interfacing onto the waistband, and I folded it in half and ironed it. I also went and took one side of the band and folded it in about a half an inch. So now what needs to happen is I'm going to take my pants and pin it to the raw edge of the waist and set it up so all I have to do is sew it on. Let me show you. So here's the raw edge where the waistband should go. I should have serged it, but I decided early on this fabric was a little bit too lightweight, and I'm just doing this so that I have the practice to recreate these pants on a much nicer fabric. So this is like a test run. Let's see how I did this one. Okay, so I'm gonna line it up with this edge. Start pinning like this. And when I sew, I'm gonna use a half an inch seam allowance. And make sure I catch that so that it's stuck in there. So I'm gonna pin all the way around. I'm gonna pin all the way around till I get to the other side of the waist. Okay, this feels good here. Kind of gonna freehand this. Okay, I just sewed that little curve, and now I'm gonna finish attaching the waistband to the pants itself. And then on this side, I'm gonna do a little extension, maybe 1 inch out, so that I can put a hook and eye on the pants so it can close once the zipper's up. So now you can see the waistline is attached, and it's starting to resemble pants more than they were before. So the pockets are in and the pocket bags are sewn. So all that needs to happen now is I need to go in, fold this down, and do a technique called stitch in the ditch. So what that means is while this side is down like this, I'm gonna sew on the seam that was already created to attach the inside down, so that way I have a cleaner finish. And once that's all done all around, I'm gonna attach a hook and eye here so we have that extra closure, just as these do. So once they're zipped up, this is a hook and eye, they're clasped. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm not gonna film that right now because I'm very hungry. And then once that's done, I'm gonna do the hemline and I'm gonna iron it out so it's nice and finished. See, I'm gonna put some steam on these seams, and then I'm gonna take some photos so you guys can see the end result. But I'm really looking forward to that pink and red look. It's almost like a Valentine's Day look, but not really. I love the contrast of pink and red, and I've been seeing it done for a while now, and I never had a chance to really do it myself. I think I'm gonna give pink top, red pants, cute little red purse, maybe a red lip, maybe a pink one, and definitely a fro or 2 afro puffs with a nice heel. Yeah, I can't wait. But yeah, so I got through my first video. Thank you for joining me. I can't wait for the ASMR comments. This is just how I talk, but inside I'm just like really excited to finish this look and take some photos. So thank you for sewing with me, and I'll see you next time I feel like making a video.